So nice to see you guys.
Lovely to see you, Gabriella. She's here. Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. Come on, let's do this.
Today, you two are invited to bake cake. It's going to be a 4-ingredient cake with almond flour and lemon zest. So Mona set up beautifully our 4 ingredients and all the tools you need to make this cake. So let's start. But first, allow me to share with you why am I baking at MONALICIOUSFOOD. Mona and Carly invited me to bake with them this amazing cake that is gluten-free and dairy-free. And this is so cute and it was so special. And all started because on a hot day in London, I was walking down the street and I was very attracted by this sign that was saying that they had ice cream for dogs. So if they had for dogs, maybe they had something for me. And they did. They had something really amazing and tasty, plus the best service. But now I invite them to tell me the story of MONALICIOUSFOOD.
Well, Mona and I met at the Olympics in 2012. I applied for a job at the Olympics and Mona was my manager, and I got the job and we worked together there. And after that we obviously went off and did our own thing. So I worked at a photographic studio and I was running that, and Mona was being a project manager for transport.
And we pause for the noisy bit. The story will continue, but these entrepreneurial ladies, full of initiative and creative, delicious flavors, are really busy and they have to welcome their guests whilst cooking and serving. As such, we have to wait until they're free. In the meantime, I'm just appreciating the smell of the lemon zest. So we made all the noise that we had to. Now okay, so now I want to still hear your story, please.
So then, when we were working at the photographic studio, well, I was, and then Mona was working as a PA at a top transport company in London. And then I said, "Oh, why don't you come and do some food for the photographic studio, because we're always needing food." Because in the meantime, Mona was really, obviously, very passionate about food. She was so good at. That's where her gift was. And so I said, "Oh, why don't you come and try your talents out at the photographic studio, because people are always looking for lunches and we're always looking for breakfast and things like that." And so she came and did that for us, and it was a massive success and everyone loved her food. And then we were like, why are we working for someone else? Why don't we open up a cafe and do our own?
And I just love this sentence. It inspires me so much. Let's do our own. That was the beginning of a beautiful story, not without struggles, of course, and going through COVID was not easy. But today, continuously, they offer this Austrian-inspired home-cooked food where the rule is, let's spoil everyone.
Fan oven, 160 fan oven, yeah, or 180 on a normal oven. But most people in this country have a fan oven.
The smell of this cake at this point, it's all around us, just like a blessing. So how do you know it's done?
I know it's done because I feel it. I cook with my feelings, but what you do is with your thumb or your finger, you just do this and it bounces nicely back. It comes off the edge, and that's it.
I hope that you take this as an invitation to develop your intuition when you're cooking. I love this. And I love the 2 tips that Mona is sharing with us. First, how to check if the cake is ready, and second, how to take this beautiful paper.
Put the water on top. And the water will create with the heat steam, and this will come off like butter.
And now time to reveal this beauty. Now a little bit of icing sugar and voila! There we go. Serve with love and bon appetit! And just before tasting this wonderful cake, I would like to thank you so much for subscribing to the channel, to like and to comment. It helps to grow the channel and to bring more recipes. Did you like this one? So we're back now. It's done and ready. Thank you so much for having me. It's just so special, and we've been trying to meet for a few weeks now, but we're not finished to hear the story. Continue.
Okay, yeah. So, I mean, Mona's always had such passion for food, haven't you? And I saw that in you, and I was just basically like, why don't we open our own cafe? So we looked for somewhere really reasonable, you know, if there was anywhere reasonable, and we wouldn't believe that we found somewhere here in Hoxton Street, did we? And we just took the risk. So we, you know, packed up our jobs. We were on very good jobs, both of us. I was running a photographic studio. Mona was a PA for a really important transport company in London, and so we took that massive risk and was like, let's do this, because I could just see her passion, and I love people, and you know, we're the dream team. And here we are now, 3.5 years later.
It's really amazing because it's always full. People love the food and they're always happy.
So kind.
It's so cool. I love the terrace outside and to try my dairy-free ice cream.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. So yeah, I mean, we have
the dogs.
Yeah, we have al fresco dining. We've got dining inside. We do ice cream. Mona makes all the bakes homemade, and all our food is fresh, organic produce that we use, and free-range eggs, and everything's made from scratch, isn't it, from you?
That's it.
And yeah, it's made and served with love. And here it is.
And now,
Enjoy.
I want to try it. Thank you so much.
Let's go.
I have the tools.
Yes,
guys.
And we're going to come in. Let's do it.
Go on.
Let's do it.
Okay,
Guess
let me
first.
go. I should go like here.
Yeah, yeah, let's see.
So delicious.
I mean, this is such a popular bake here, isn't it? It's our gluten-free lemon and almond cake. You cannot go wrong. Everyone absolutely
It's nice,
loves
fresh,
this
it's really
cake.
lovely
It's
with,
so perfumed and the,
I'm gonna have
and
a
the lemon
bit
is
of-
so good.
and it's really nice actually. So
I have to have it too though.
You what? Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
You're quicker than me. I that one up. But essentially, this is really nice as well with a bit of cream on the side.
Yeah.
Or like you can have dairy-free cream as well.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
really
of course.
tasty as well when it's warm. Oh, ice cream. Or you could have
It's
amazing.
amazing. I mean, it's so light and fluffy. That
I made
you
a-
can see that, can't you? How
so
fluffy
good.
it is. And it's not so lemony, but it's got that nice tang,
No,
isn't
it
it?
has
The
this
lemon.
beautiful-
It's just
I
right.
love
It's
lemon.
not too overpowering. It's lovely, isn't it? And then the almonds and you
my
can't
pleasure.
go wrong with this cake. Oh, thank you, Gabriella,
No,
for
so
coming
good.
in and giving us this opportunity to share this amazing recipe
I love it.
on your
So-
amazing channel.
You know, what I have to say is, if you want to try this cake, I would suggest that you follow the recipe and then you come here to compare it.
Yes, so it's Monalicious Food. We're based in 189 Hoxton Street, London. Hope to see you here. We look forward to meeting you.
I'll put it the everything description as well.
Yeah.
People can follow you on Instagram.
Oh, thank
so
you,
it's
yeah.
Monalicious Food.
Yeah.
And it's so delightful to be here and to come
Aw,
here.
thank you.
It's always good spirit, good energy. Just
Come. Lovely. Thanks for coming.
thank you.
Thanks so